So we're new to Cleveland and we didn't have very many contacts. And so I was just doing internet searches and I happened to see that Regency had really good ratings. And so I felt comfortable giving them a call. So we first met with Norm, and he came over and spoke with my husband and me about what we wanted to do, got a general idea of the changes we wanted to make, and he seemed very sincere and humble, and he just seemed like someone we wanted to work in our house and work with. And in the end, I think that he had our best interests at heart, and he did his best to make sure that all the things we wanted to have done were taken care of. I would absolutely recommend Regency to others, and as a matter of fact, I already have, and I'm hoping that they get calls from some friends of mine soon.